avoid that, but alright.
Okay.
So I get a 0 there.
And
And then what's 1 minus 2 times 2? Well, 2 times negative 2, that's negative 4, right?
-4.
So what's 1 minus negative 4?
-3. 3.
No, it's 1 minus negative 4. Remember, minus and negative
I know, that's the
is
whole part.
plus. So if you're doing 1 minus negative 4, it's really what's 1 plus 4, right? And that's 5.
Because I had
Mm-hmm. And then 3 minus negative 10 is really 3 plus 10, right?
Yeah, 13.
So that becomes 13. Oh, we're going to get fractions in this one, I think. We might have been able to avoid that, but... oh, no. Nah, we can avoid it still. Alright, so I have... this is not changed, right? And this is 3, negative 2, negative 4. Now, if you can avoid fractions, you should, but sometimes you can't. We can do that still. Oh, no, we can't. 2, 1. Is this erase? How do you erase? Oh, I have to select it. Alright. I don't know if this is the best way, because now we want this to be a 1, so we would divide by 5, right?
Yeah.
But then 13, then I'm going to have 13 divided by 5 here, which is a pain.
And we cannot do like anything to this one first to get to 0, and then
we might be able to do that actually. Let's see. Alright, yeah, let's keep going. Let's make this a 0. How do I do that? I need to do row 3.
Change 1, row 1. Not
minus not just row 1, but
minus 3.
3 times row 1, right? Remember, use your pivot, right?
Yeah.
Alright, this might help. I don't know if it'll necessarily help too much, but maybe we can eliminate that row instead. So 3 minus 3 is... this is still 1, negative 2, negative 5, 0, 5, 13, and 3 minus 3, 0. So I now have negative 2 minus negative 6, right?
0.
Oh, crap, what did I do? I forgot to write 0. Alright. So this is 0. 3 minus 3. Negative 2 minus negative 6, right?
Yeah.
Which is actually negative 2 plus 6. That's 4, right?
Yeah.
And then negative 4.
Yeah.
So now I have x equals negative 1. I have y equals 2, but down here I have 0 equals 3.
Yeah.
And that is not true.
Okay.
So the third equation is it can't be solved, right? Basically, x and y satisfy the first two, right? Let's go back and look. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3 minus 4. Oh, wait a minute. It doesn't work for... am I looking at the right one still? 3. Where did we start? 3, negative 2. Alright, so what do we get? If x equals... maybe it just doesn't work for any of them. X equals negative 1. 3 negative 3 minus 4. No, it doesn't work at all. Negative 1. 2 times negative 1, negative 2 plus 2. Alright. Suppose it becomes column 1 instead. Right? So if I take row 1, I'm just going to rewrite it as column 1, right? So what would my first column be?
6, 4, 0, 1.
4, 0, 1. And now my second column?
3, 6, negative 1, 7.
That's it.
Oh.
So this was 2 by 4 before, now it's 4 by 2. Right? That's it. That's all
Okay, so
transpose
that
is.
is transpose. Okay. And then 6. And this one. Yeah. This one 4. 6. 0. Negative 1. 7. Oh, did I get it wrong?
What's wrong? 6, 4.
1, 7, 0,
4, 0, negative 1. This needs to be a negative 1.
This one.
Yeah, I messed that up too, actually. This is negative. X plus 4y equals 6. 5x plus ky equals 2.